How are you, Lolo?
Well, still usual. But
Uh.
I'm very weak for this time.
Siya, oh, Lolo, I'm so happy that I'm here in your place. It's very nice place. Lolo, do you want to go with us, going to the beach?
That's enough of that. Because my body is very weak now.
Na, unsa may imong pangayon sa Amerikano? Halimbawa, mangayo ka sayag, kuha na lang. Unsa may imong pangayon? Pag-abot.
Well, you just give me a little,
Complementary lang daw.
a little,
Little sausage.
a little money for using of being bad.
Yeah.
For the use of,
For the
for your
in,
consumption,
no,
for your food and medicine.
no,
What? For?
First.
that is only for using another kind of the spirit of that is
To serve God.
reserved to God.
Ah.
And then, well, if there is enough, we will buy any kind.
Any kind.
Any kind.
Fruits.
Huh?
Fruits or biscuit.
No,
What?
any kind what I want.
For example, what do you want? Example.
I need every 5 o'clock in the afternoon. The
Mataro na po, dandan na diri kasi ako magyapos mas.
Snack. Biscuit.
oh, biscuit
Uh,
for a snack only.
so you need money to buy a biscuit for your snacks.
Oh.
Okay. Pag-abutan na ni kuan ni David, mabigyan ka na. So manay mo ang sulti. Oh, sige, thank you, Lolo, thank you.